Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I will show you that how to save or export video from CapCut to gallery. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the CapCut app on your phone. Once you are done with the editing, so now you have to click on the 1080p icon right here. Okay, so now you are in the export menu. You can adjust the resolution and frame rate according to your preferences. For most users, the default settings just work fine. But if you want a crispy quality of your video, you can also switch it to 4K. Remember one thing, the higher the quality, the bigger the file size will be. Okay, so once you are done with the export settings, click on Export. CapCut will now start exporting your video. This process might take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the length and complexity of your video. Once the export is complete, CapCut will automatically save the video to your device gallery. You will see a confirmation message saying the video has been saved successfully. And that's it, you have successfully saved your video from CapCut to your gallery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video.